Selecting patterns. Turn the power switch on. Press the mode key to select the desired mode and the LCD screen will display the head pattern of the selected group. There are two ways to select a stitch pattern. One is to use the direct pattern selection keys. Select the pattern you want directly from the practical patterns on the direct pattern selection keys. The other way to select a pattern is to press the mode key and enter a 2-digit pattern number from the number keys. The LCD screen will display the stitch pattern number and stitch pattern, stitch width, stitch length, and recommended foot. Altering stitch length and width. Stitch width and length are programmed and optimized for the selected pattern. However, you can adjust them to suit your specific sewing needs. To alter the stitch width, press the stitch width adjusting key. For straight stitches, you can move the needle drop position by pressing the plus or minus key. Press the plus key to move the needle drop position to the right. Press the minus key to move the needle drop position to the left. To alter the stitch length, press the stitch length adjusting key.